Welcome to Financial Level. If you're running a business or dreaming of starting one, this video is for you. Today we're uncovering the true cost of not having a tax advisor, and trust me, it's more than you think. At Financial Level, we're dedicated to helping you master your finances, and this 12-minute deep dive will show you why a tax advisor is a game changer for your business success in 2025. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to Financial Level for more financial wisdom. Let's start with the big question. What is the true cost of not having a tax advisor? Running a business without expert guidance can lead to costly mistakes that hit your wallet hard. Imagine overpaying taxes because you missed deductions, facing penalties from the IRS due to filing errors, or even getting audited because your records weren't compliant. These aren't just possibilities, they're real risks that small business owners face every day. Without a tax advisor, you might leave thousands of dollars on the table or, worse, put your business at legal risk. At Financial Level, we believe knowledge is power, and understanding these costs is the first step to protecting your hard-earned money. So, why does this happen? The tax code is a complex beast, over 70,000 pages of rules and regulations that change yearly. As a business owner, keeping up with deductions, credits, and compliance requirements is a full-time job on its own. Without a tax advisor, you might miss out on opportunities like the qualified business income deduction, which can save sole proprietors up to 20% on taxable income, or the Section 179 deduction, allowing you to write off equipment purchases. A 2023 survey by the National Small Business Association found that 60% of small businesses overpaid taxes due to lack of professional help, averaging $5,000 per year. At Financial Level, we want you to keep that money in your pocket, not the government's. But it's not just about overpaying, there's a bigger risk: audits and penalties. The IRS audited over 1.1 million returns in 2022, and small businesses were prime targets due to common errors like underreporting income or improper expense categorization. Without a tax advisor, you might not know how to properly document your deductions or maintain records that stand up to scrutiny. Penalties can range from $100 to $10,000 per violation, and in severe cases, you could face legal action. A tax advisor acts as your shield, ensuring your filings are accurate and defensible. At Financial Level, we're here to help you avoid these pitfalls and build a secure financial future. Now, let's talk about the value a tax advisor brings. A good tax advisor doesn't just file your taxes, they strategize. They can identify tax-saving opportunities tailored to your business, like structuring your company as an S-corp to reduce self-employment taxes or timing income and expenses to lower your tax burden. For example, deferring income to the next year or accelerating deductions can save you thousands. In 2024, businesses with tax advisors saved an average of 15% more on their tax bills compared to those without, according to the American Institute of CPAs. At Financial Level, we see this as a smart investment. Paying a professional upfront can yield far greater returns over time. Time is another hidden cost. Without a tax advisor, you'll spend countless hours trying to navigate tax laws, often leading to burnout or errors. A 2021 study by QuickBooks found that small business owners spend an average of 20 hours per month on tax-related tasks. A tax advisor takes that burden off your shoulders, freeing you to focus on growing your business. They handle filings, deadlines, and audits, giving you peace of mind. At Financial Level, we know your time is valuable, and a tax advisor is a time-saving ally in your wealth-building journey. Let's look at real-world examples. Take Jane, a freelance graphic designer. Without a tax advisor, she missed the home office deduction and overpaid $3,000 in taxes one year. After hiring a professional, she reclaimed those savings and set up a plan to defer income, saving an additional $2,000 the next year. Then there's Mike, a small retailer who faced a $5,000 penalty for late quarterly filings. A tax advisor helped him correct the issue, negotiate with the IRS, and avoid future mistakes. These stories show the tangible benefits of expert help. And at Financial Level, we want you to experience those wins too. So how do you find the right tax advisor? Start by looking for a certified public accountant, CPA, or enrolled agent, EA, with experience in your industry. retail, tech, or freelancing, for example, check their credentials, read reviews, and ask for references. Schedule a consultation to discuss your business needs and fees. Expect to pay $100 to $500 per hour or a flat fee of $1,000 to $5,000 annually, depending on complexity. At Financial Level, we recommend interviewing at least 3 advisors to find the best fit. Ask about their approach to tax planning, not just filing, to maximize your savings. Timing matters too. Engage a tax advisor before tax season, ideally by November or December, to plan for the year ahead. They can help with quarterly estimated taxes, which are due April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th, avoiding underpayment penalties. Keep organized records, receipts, invoices, and bank statements to make their job easier and ensure compliance. At Financial Level, we emphasize preparation as the key to avoiding last-minute stress. The benefits go beyond savings. A tax advisor can help your business grow by optimizing your cash flow, advising on retirement plans like a SEP IRA to reduce taxable income, or guiding you through expansions. In 2023, businesses with tax advisors reported 25% higher growth rates per the Small Business Administration. At Financial Level, we see this as a partnership for long-term success. Your advisor becomes a strategic part of your team. Here's a midpoint check-in for our Financial Level viewers. We've covered the costs of not having a tax advisor, the value they bring, and how to find one. Now, we want to hear from you. In the comments, tell us, have you ever overpaid taxes or faced an audit scare? Share your story or ask a question about tax advisors, and let's build a community of financial learners. Don't forget to subscribe to Financial Level for more tips to level up your finances. Let's dive deeper into specific scenarios. If you're a freelancer, a tax advisor can ensure you're taking advantage of the self-employment tax deduction, saving you 15.3% on Social Security and Medicare taxes. For e-commerce sellers, they can navigate sales tax rules across states, avoiding fines from platforms like Amazon or eBay. If you're a startup, they can advise on R&D tax credits or employee benefits to reduce your tax bill. At Financial Level, we know every business is unique, and a tailored approach is essential. What if you can't afford a tax advisor? Start with affordable alternatives. Tax software like TurboTax or H&R Block can help, but they lack the personalized strategy of a human expert. Consider a one-time consultation, $200, $300, to set up a plan, then maintain it yourself with their guidance. At Financial Level, we believe even small steps toward professional help can save you money in the long run. Finally, let's look at the long-term impact. A tax advisor can help you build wealth by reinvesting saved taxes into your business or investments, accelerating your path to millionaire status. Imagine saving $5,000 annually and investing it at a 7% return. After 20 years, that's over $180,000. At Financial Level, we're committed to helping you turn tax savings into financial freedom. That's all for today on Financial Level. We've explored why you shouldn't run a business without a tax advisor and how they can save you money, time, and stress. If you found this valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to Financial Level for more financial insights. Drop your comments below. Have you hired a tax advisor, or do you have questions about taxes? Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take control of your finances and level up with Financial Level.